vector product or cross product. Okay, vector product or cross product. Okay, so what formulas we got? Vector A cross vector B. So it is going to be what? Magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sine of angle between them. Very important is n cap. N cap will give you what? That will give you the direction of the resultant direction. Okay. So now we will look at the what are the unit vector cross products give you. Okay. Suppose you are having. So I will let us take that right hand screw rule also. Okay. For direction. So what you have to do to find the direction? You have to use right hand screw rule. Okay, screw rule. Okay, so that is what? Suppose this is the thumb. So these are the fingers over here. Okay, so this is what. So these fingers will give what direction of vectors, whether it is moving from A to B or B to A. So if this is the direction of vectors, then thumb will give you what? Thumb will give you the direction of resultant. That is what? That is nothing but vector A cross vector B. Okay. So all these things we have discussed. Now very important is what are the cross product of unit vectors. Okay. So let me take x, y, z axis. So this is what going to be a x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay. Remember, so this side what is going to be there? This side it is going to be there minus x axis, and this side it is going to be there minus z axis, and this side it is going to be there what? It is going to be minus y axis. Okay. So here unit vector is I cap, here unit vector is j cap, here unit vector is k cap. Then you may ask, what is unit vector on this side? Minus I cap, negative. Here minus j cap, here minus k cap. Okay, that is what they understood from the coordinates. Okay. So now I will see the what will be the cross product of I and another I. Means suppose I will take a unit vector I cap here, and I will take another unit vector along the same x direction. Okay. So if this is so what it will give you? I cross I cap cross I cap is equals to. So what will be the answer? So magnitude of I cap, sine of angle between them. So what is the angle between them? Angle between them is 0 because they are on the same line. There is no angle between them. So what theta is going to be? What theta is going to be a 0. Okay. So theta is going to be 0 over here. So theta is 0. Okay. So n cap you can write as it is. See here, sine, this magnitude is what? 1 into magnitude of I cap is also 1 because they are the unit vectors. Okay. So sine of 0. So remember from your mathematics, so that is going to be 0. Then no need to mention that vector direction also. So I cross I cap cross I cap will give you what? That will give you the 0. In case of dot product, I dot I will become what? 1. Here I cross I will become 0. Okay. So similarly, if I take two vectors along this direction, so j cap. Okay. So again here theta is going to be what? Theta is going to be 0. So j cap cross j cap is equals to, so magnitude of j cap, sine of angle between them is what? It is going to be a 0. So n cap. So what you will get? You will get it as again 1 into 0. So answer will be what? Answer will be 0. Okay. So or you can say it is a null vector along the same direction, same x or y or z axis. So now I will take along the z axis, that is k cap and k cap. Theta is going to be 0. So k cap cross k cap is equals to k cap magnitude of k cap, again sine of angle 0. So what you will get? You will get it as again 1 into 1 into 0 equals to 0. So what you got is we got an important result. What is that? So I cap cross I cap is equals to j cap cross j cap equals to k cap cross k cap equals to 0. Very important result. Okay, so I cap cross I cap or j cap cross j cap or k cap cross k cap is equals to 0. Okay, so now I will take I cross cat j. Okay, so I cap cross j cap. So this is what I cap. So where is j cap? J cap is here. So this is what going to be j cap. I cap j cap. So now what is the angle between them? They are right angles to each other. So theta is going to be 90 degree. Okay. So now you can mention or you can find the A cross B. I cross j is equals to magnitude of I cap, magnitude of j cap, sine of 90 degree and n cap. Okay. So this is 1 into 1. What is sine of 90? Again, sine of 90 from your mathematics is going to be 1. So n cap. So this is going to be just n cap. But what is this n cap? N cap is not in generally. But with the help of your right hand screw rule you can use. So it is going from where to where? It is going from I to j. So this is what? Then what is the direction of resultant? It is along the what? Along the z axis. So you can write z axis means what is unit vector? It is going to be here. This is what resultant. So resultant is along k cap. So this is going to be k cap. Okay. So what result you got? You got it as I cap cross j cap equals to k cap. I cross j equals to k. Similarly, I will take j cross k. They are perpendicular to each other, 90 degree between them. Okay. So this is what j cap and this is what k cap. Okay. So 90 degree again. So j cap cross k cap equals to j then k cap. So sine of 90 then n cap. So this is going to be 1 into 1 into 1 into n cap. So this is going to be 1. What is n cap here? So j2k, j2 you can hold like this. So j2k. So it is z is towards you. Okay, from j to k. So direction of resultant is what? Along I. So this is going to be I cap. Okay, so j cap cross k cap is going to be I cap. Okay. So similarly, then again k cap cross I cap. Okay. So k cap cross I cap. This is what k cap cross I cap. So I cap. So angle between them is what? Again 90 degree. So k cap cross I cap equals to k cap magnitude of I cap sine of 90 degree n cap. So 1 into 1 into 1 into n cap. So what is n cap over here? K2 I. This is k I. So again it is going to be what? It is going to be j cap. Okay. So resultant is going to be here. So resultant is going to be here. Okay. This is what the resultant. Okay. So this is what j cap. This is what j cap. What is that? K cross I. K cross I is going to be j cap. So what three important result we got? We got here is I cap cross I cap is going to be j cap. Sorry, I cap cross j cap is going to be k cap. So j cap cross k cap is going to be I cap. So k cap cross I cap is going to be j cap. Okay. Then now you may ask me, or we can go with another. In case of dot product, I dot j is also 0, j dot I is also 0. But here it is not true. I cross j is k, j cross I may not be k, it may be a different. Okay, that also we will see. So let me take j cross I equals to magnitude of j cap, magnitude of I cap, sine 90 n cap. Okay, so this is not 1 into n cap. Okay, because in magnitude of j cap, magnitude of I cap is 1. Sin 90 is also 1, n cap is there. What about this n cap now? What is the direction of resultant? So here it was I to j. Now it is j to I. J to I means j to I. This is j to I. So what is it is inward, means it is along this axis. This is going to be resultant. What is this? This is minus k cap. Okay. So it is going to be minus k cap. Okay. So I cross j is k cap, but j cross I is not k. It is going to be minus k cap. It is going to be minus k cap. Remember, very very important. So now here j cross k is there. I will make it k cross j. So what will happen? K cap cross j cap is equals to magnitude of k cap, magnitude of j cap, sine of 90, then n cap. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1, n cap. So here n cap, k to z. So k is here, k is along u, k to j. Okay, so like this, k is towards u, k to j, j is above. Okay, this is k, k to j. So resultant is along this, k to j. K to j. So resultant is along negative x. Negative x means what? It is going to be minus I cap. So this is going to be minus of I cap. So k cross j is going to be minus I cap. J cross k is I, but k cross j is minus I. Okay. So remember this, very very important. Again, k cross I is here. What we got j, but what about I cross k? So I cross k equals to magnitude of I cap, magnitude of k cap, sine 90 n cap. Okay. So 1 into 1 into 1 into n cap. So what is n cap again here? I cross k, I cross k, I to k is coming. Okay. So this is what I. So coming to k, I is there. So this is what I to k is towards you. Okay. So I to k. So your resultant is going to be what? Downward. Downward means here. So this is what? Minus j. Okay. So let me write it as minus j cap. Okay. So again, three more very very important results we got. What are those? So j cap cross I cap equals to minus k cap. Similarly, k cap cross j cap is equals to minus I cap. So similarly, I cap cross k cap equals to minus j cap. Okay. So these three 6 sets of equations are very very important. Okay. So very very important, remember. And one more important result we got it here. Okay. This is also very very important. So these cross product of unit vectors is very very important, because most of the time the vectors will be given in terms of what? In terms of the unit vectors. So that is why please do remember these things. Then we can go with some other examples. So you may ask me then how we can remember all those things. There is no much thing to remember over there. Simply, if you know the right hand rule, you can easily answer. But then also, if you want to remember like that, you can take a circle over there. So here we will take I cap. Here what? Here it is j cap. On this side it will be what? K cap. Okay. Suppose if you are moving in clockwise direction, sorry, anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Anti-clockwise direction means in reverse order of the clock. Suppose if you are moving from I to j, so I to j, I cap cross j cap is equals to what? K cap. So I cross j will give you what? K, opposite one. Okay. So similarly, from here to here, again in what? Again in anti-clockwise direction only. Clockwise will be here, so anti-clockwise direction. What is this? You are coming from j to k. So j cap cross k cap equals to what? Opposite is what? I cap. So this is what I cap. Okay. So similarly, if you are moving from k to I, again in anti-clockwise direction, if you are moving from k to I, so k cap cross I cap will give you what? J cap. Will give you the J cap. Okay. So this is how you can remember when it is in anti-clockwise direction. So this is what? Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So if you take reverse means if you take it in a clockwise direction, so again you can take I cap over here, J cap here and K cap here. Okay. If you are, instead of going from I to J, if you are coming from J to I, so J cap versus K cap, sorry I cap, J to I, what is the opposite? Opposite is K cap, but you have to take negative. Why you have to take negative? Because direction got changed. Here in this direction you have taken positive, means opposite direction you have to take what? You have to take negative. Okay, so that is why you have to take negative. Again from I to K, okay. So I to K, I cap cross K cap will be what? J, but you are going in opposite direction, so that will become minus J cap. I cross K, where it is I cross K minus J you are getting. Okay. So similarly here again in clockwise direction, K to J, K cap cross J cap equals to, opposite is what? I cap. Okay, but you are moving in opposite direction of the before. Okay, so this is going to be minus I cap. Okay, so this is going to be minus I cap. Here it is what direction? It is in clockwise direction. Okay, so this is what? Clockwise direction. Okay, so if it is anti-clockwise direction, you will get all positive. If it is in clockwise direction, you will get all negative. Okay, you may check from here. Okay, I, J, K is there, so J, K, I is there, then K, I, obviously J is there. Here J, I, so minus K is there, K, J, so what is there? K, J, obviously minus I is there, then I, K, minus J is there. Okay, so this is how we can remember the cross product of unit vectors. Okay, so that is why if the vectors are given like this, suppose vector A is say Ax I cap plus Ay J cap plus Az K cap, and vector B is given like Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. If this is the case, theta is not given, angle between them is not given. What they are asking? They are asking for the resultant. What is resultant? Resultant is vector A cross B. So how we can do this one? A cross B. Vector A cross vector B is, you can take as it is, Ax I cap plus Ay J cap plus Az K cap cross. So Bx I cap plus By J cap plus Bz K cap. Okay, so this is what we have the two vectors. So now you can just take as it is. So Ax Bx you write as it is, Ax Bx. So what is there? I and I. Okay, so I cap cross I cap, I cap cross I cap, plus you have to do all these this Ax with all these three, Ay with all these three, and Az with all these three. Okay, a little lengthy one, so don't worry about that. So Ax By, Ax By. So what is that? I and J, I cap cross J cap, plus Ax Bz, Ax Bz. What is that? I K, I cap cross K cap. Okay, so plus Ay Bx, Ay Bx, J I, J cap cross I cap, plus Ay By, Ay By, J and J. Okay, so J cap cross J cap, plus Ay Bz, Ay Bz. What is there? J cap K cap. Okay, J cap cross K cap. Now plus Az Bx, Az Bx, K cap is there, I cap is there. So K cap cross I cap, plus so Az By, Az By, K cap J cap. Okay, So k cap cross j cap plus az bz, az bz. So what is there? K cap, okay. So k cap, k cap. Now here you take use of your what the cross product of unique vectors. What is the cross product of I cross I? I cross I is going to be 0. Okay. So j cross j is going to be 0. K cross k is going to be 0. Okay. So these three are going to be 0. So if this is 0, this whole term is going to be 0. Okay. So this whole term is going to be 0. So this whole term is going to be 0. This whole term is going to be 0. This whole term is going to be 0. Okay. Now this is 0. So write 0 plus ax by you write as it is ax by. What is I cross j? I cross j is nothing but k cap. I cross j is nothing but k cap. Okay. So here we can write it as k cap. Okay. So this is what k cap. Then plus write ax bz as it is ax bz. I cross k. I cross k means what? You have to move from I cross k. It is coming in clockwise. Clockwise means negative. Okay. So minus j cap. That's all. I cross k. So k is going to be here. I cross k means minus j cap. Okay. So minus j cap plus here ay bx. Ay bx. J cross I. J cross I means minus k. So minus k cap. So similarly, what is there? Ay by. Ay by this is going to be 0. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Is going to be 0. Ay bz. J cross k. J cross k. J is where? J is here. So j cross k. Okay. So it is again what? It is I cap. Okay. So j cross k is I cap. So I cap because it is in anti-clockwise direction. J cross k. Okay. So where we have stopped? Ay bz. Where is ay bz? This one. Next az bx. K cross I. Okay. So k cross I means what? K cross I means k I. So j cap. Okay. So k I. So going from k to I. This is k and this is I. Okay. So this is going to be what? J cap plus az by. Az by is what? K cross j. K cross j. K is there, j is here. K cross j means negative of minus I cap. Okay. So all these things we got. Okay. So two zeros. I one more zero. This one will become what? 0. Okay. So k cross k will become 0. So remaining what we got is two i's we got. So minus I and plus I. And two j's we got and k's we got. So say we make one side. Okay, all i's we will make on one side. Okay, so a cross b equals to. So first you take this I, ay bz. Okay, ay bz. So what is that? Ay bz. Sorry, it is going to be I cap. And then where is one more I cap? Here it is minus I cap. Az by plus az by is minus I cap. Okay. So now j you take plus j, this one az bx plus az bx. What is going to be there? It is going to be j cap. Next minus j cap plus ax bz. Ax bz is minus j cap. Okay. So then you take k cap plus k ax by plus ax by k cap plus minus k cap is here ay bx minus k cap, ay bx minus k cap. Now you take i's outside, okay? So this is going to be what? Ay bz minus az by I cap. Okay, so negative will come inside, so I cap I am taking outside. Similarly here, plus az bx minus ax bz. So you take j cap outside, plus similarly ax by minus ay bx is equals to k cap. Why negative signs are coming here? Because minus sign, minus j, minus k there. I am taking just I j k outside. So this is what going to be your A cross B. This is what going to be your A cross B. Ay bz minus az by I cap, az bx minus ax bz j cap, ax by minus ay bx k cap. So how to remember this one? Okay, how to remember this one? That will be a difficult thing. So that is why we can go through the matrix or determinant method. So that is a better way. So if you have A cross B, you make a determinant like this. Okay. So first you write I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay. I cap, j cap, k cap. Then you write vector A. What is vector A? Vector A, you are having ax, ay, az. Only components you are write. No I j k. I j k were already written. It will become ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap. Okay. So next B vector. bx I cap, by j cap, bz k cap. Okay. So if you get this determinant, so how to do this one is, first you write just I cap. Okay. I cap you will write. So multiply these two. Ay bz. Ay bz is there. Okay. Then multiply these two. Minus, you have to take negative sign. So by az. By az. Okay. Az by or by az, everything is okay. Okay. So let me write like that only. Az by. Az by. Okay. So this one is over. So next what you have to do is you have to take minus of j cap. Minus of j cap. So now you have to multiply this one and this one. Okay. So multiply ax bz minus bx az or bx az or az bx. Okay. So these two az bx. Okay. So plus k cap. K cap means then you have to take these four. ax by minus bx ay or ay bx. Okay. So ay bx. Okay. So if you look at one thing, only here positive is there, here it is coming negative. Okay. So let me write ay bz minus az by I cap I will write here. So this negative I will take inside. Okay. So this will become plus. So negative will become positive. So I will write az bx plus az bx. Okay. So negative of ax bz. So j cap I will write as it is plus. Just I am taking negative sign inside, or I can take this one here and this one this side. Plus ax by minus ay bx. Okay. So this is what going to be k cap. Now you can look at the answers. So A cross B. Ay bz minus az by minus az by I cap is z. So plus az bx minus ax bz j cap. So ax by minus ay bx so k cap. Okay. So instead of remembering this formula directly, just take this determinant, follow this thing. Okay, this thing. No need to come to this one only. You will get directly answer only. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to take I, multiply these two, minus these two, take minus j, multiply these two, then these two, then these two, then these two, then take plus k cap, then multiply these two, then these two. Okay. So when I solve few examples on this one, you will understand it in a in a proper way. Okay.